face the rolling tides. Love between two broken souls, filling gaps, making us whole. Scared to fall, but still we try. Underneath this fractured sky, you hold my past, I hold yours too. We build a world that's fresh and new. Each piece we lost, we now reclaim. A fragile love, but still a flame. Your whispered truth, they set me free. You see the wounds, still loving me. We've been afraid.